Odoo tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Odoo, and I want to be telling you a pretty simple, easy beginner's tutorial. So let's get into it. Now Odoo is basically a one-stop shop for everything, right? It has all of your business in one place, as you can see right here. It has, I don't even know how many options that they have, but they've got like over 100 different options. They've got websites, they've got sales, they've got finance. You can see right here websites. They've got websites, e-commerce, blogs, live chat, e-learning, forms. In sales, they've got CRMs, sales, point of sales, subscriptions manager or a rental car. In finance, they've got accounting, they've got invoice, expenses, spreadsheet, inventory and manufacturing, home resource, marketing, services, productivity, customization, and basically you get everything, right? So I don't know how much they have, but they've got like tons and tons of different apps right here. If you click on apps, you can see all of them right here. It's crazy how many apps they've got. So if you want to go ahead and build a website, they've got you. If you want something on the CRM side, they've got you. If you want something for marketing, they've got you. So WhatsApp, they got you. Supply chain, finance, everything's available over here. And you can go ahead and get started for free by clicking on the try free button over here. Now, I already have an account, so I'm already logged in. You can see right here. And it's pretty simple. You can sign up using your email, and it's pretty simple. You can even use your Google or any other socials that are available. You can see right here, you've got choose your apps. You've got free instant access, no credit card required or anything. You just sign up. You're in, boom. It's that simple. So let's say I want website, right? I click on website, all right? You can see right here, free with unlimited users forever, all right? One app selected. I'll go ahead and select website. Click over here. I'll go ahead and select website, right? Since that's the one that we want, right? I'll click on try it for free, and we got website over here. So first name, last name, you got it over here. I'll get rid of that. That's my first and last name right here. Website name. All right, or samhash.odoo.com. You got your email, country, language, and then you put your phone number, and then you click on start now. And boom, welcome to Odoo. It's as simple as that. All right, the one platform you will never need. They've got you covered. So it's as simple as that. Since I use website, I'm going to go ahead and build a website for myself. All right, so we should be good to go. And then we'll just simply click on the let's do it button over here, and let's go ahead and create a website. Now I want a e-commerce website, a blog, an event, whatever, right? So I'll just say that I want a website, and here we can go ahead and set up a store, or we could go ahead and say I want a blog, and here we can add that option over here. It totally depends on you, right? So here I want to say a portfolio, all right? Although it's not a model portfolio, but social worker, I don't know. It doesn't have any portfolio. There's only one portfolio website, but I don't want to be a model portfolio, you know what I mean? I just want to say that showcase is there a Tesla showroom? No, I don't want that. I wonder what other categories I could think of. I don't know. Well, I'll just maybe a blog, why not? I'll just go with a blog. Go ahead and say a blog over here. Actually, come over here, click on blog, and say over here, where is, there we go, video editing service. There we go, that's what we want. And I want to develop a brand, sell more, inform customers. Yeah, inform customers. There we go. Then here we upload the color palette. I feel like that one looks good. And then over here, add pages and features, right? So we'll set with about page, a service page, and a career, publish job opportunities if you want, appointments. Yeah, I think maybe we put appointments, so self-service booking system, something like that. That if someone comes onto my website and wants to book it, likes my service, wants to book an appointment, there we got it. And then we click on build my website. I forgot to upload my logo, but I think we are good to go. So there are a couple of different options over here. You can see right here, very simple websites, welcome message, title sections, all of those. We can add those later. And this is something as well. Personally, I like the first one. Looks very simple, very clean, nothing too crazy. Yeah, we're going to go with the first one. If we wanted some more, we could have clicked the view more button, but I think we are good with the first one. And here we go. So this is how it looks like. So this is the entire website. All right. You can see it's animated beautifully. There's pretty decent colors. Pretty much everything is already here. We just got to go ahead and change out some of the elements, like the text, maybe map some buttons, right? Change some of the images. Here you can see we've got our portfolio here. We upload our own videos in our own portfolio here, right? Upload our own campaigns that we run, create videos over here, upload reviews, and our team over here, right? and our own categories and analytics, and boom, we're good to go. So pretty much it's as simple as that. So website looks really good. Now how do we edit it? Click on the edit button at the top right corner, and then this is the pop-up or drag and drop event right here. So it's a simple editor, right? You want to add something, drag and drop it, boom, it's done. It's there. You want to add more stuff, you got it. If you want to, delete stuff, just click on that section, boom, hit the trash can button over here and delete it. You want to move it, you can do it. This in between section, you can, of course, increase the space over here, the margins. You can see right here, click over here and you can go ahead and add it. Here you can see right here, style. And also you can see this one had the animation, right? Click over here, we can see the style, the column, the theme over here. You can see font, family, layout, headings, buttons, links, input, advanced, everything is available over here. Want to edit this section, click on this section, boom, you've edited. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy, nothing too crazy, and it works. It really works. You can see all the options available here, right? Let me discard the cheesies because I don't want to mess everything up, because it looks good, right? Now once everything looks good, and you can see right here, we got to upload our logo, right? I forgot to upload our logo. Let me go ahead and click on the edit section, click on the logo, all right? Double click on it to edit it, double click over here. Here we can upload our images. You can upload by clicking on upload an image over here. And I think I do have an image. We'll go ahead and upload this image. Hopefully it'll work, Yeah, there we go. Looks good. Then we have our background over here, theme over here. We can add blocks over here. And yeah, it looks good. If we want to add stuff to it, we can click over here and add it. And then we just hit the save button and boom, everything is now saved. And the pages are all mapped out as well. So you just simply hit on the pages and just edit them. It's as simple as that, especially the point one. You can see right here, use the notepad. Currently, there's no current appointments available. That's fine. You can click over here, the contact us, got the contact page. Everything is just set up. You just need to go ahead and edit it, change some of the text, add your own features, your own images, your own, data in it, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So that's how the website works. There's also calendar, there's also appointments, there's also other apps as well. If you click on apps right here, you got all these different apps that are available. You can go ahead and install them into your account and you are good to go. Right, so these are all ones. There's sales, you got 11 of those, 5 with the website service. You got human resources, shipping, we got ESG, customization, and administration. You got all the sorts of options, right? These are the official apps over here, and these are the industries over here. So it's pretty cool. Definitely check it out. My account hasn't been, confirmed, so it'll expire in 3 hours or 3 days. But yeah, once it's so I'll have to do that. But yeah, make sure you check out the email. Don't forget to, activate it. But yeah, after that, you should be good to go. You can see right here, you got clothing stores, electronic stores, eyewear. These are all the stores, and these are all the service one. So there you go. That's how you can use Odoo, how you can create a website, how you can install different apps to it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.